We're playing to a full house here at the Araneta Coliseum, and they're getting their money's worth.
Double figures na si JJ.
Held 11 points now for Helderbrand. Samantala, JJ Helderbrand is in the game for the first time. Lumusog ka agad. Yan ang sinasabi mo kinito, yung bilis nitong mga taga-barangay Ginebra.
Daniel Defonso way outside his comfort zone sa low block.
Hey!
Si JJ.
JJ Helderbrand with a shot. Mark Hagiwa. Binigay kay JJ Helderbrand. Sumugod na naman si JJ Helderbrand. 6 points now from JJ Helderbrand off the bench. That's nilabas kay Helderbrand for the three. That's spectacular long-distance shot brought to you by PLDT. We're playing to a full house here at the Araneta Coliseum, and they're getting their money's worth.
Double figures na si JJ.
Barangay Ginebra talagang parang mainit na mainit. Helderbrand once again his 13th point. Bench scoring ng Barangay Ginebra ngayon 16. Samantalang yung bench na San Miguel, isa pa lang, only 1 point from players coming off the bench. We have a timeout.